Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, your premier destination for exploring the most innovative and sustainable living spaces around the globe. Today we're thrilled to take you to the heart of Phoenix, Arizona, where a remarkable 3,000 square foot shipping container house awaits. A home constructed of shipping containers is unlike anything the Phoenix housing market has seen. The structure, consisting of 4 shipping containers, is a fascinating riff on the region's shipping container craze, which includes the Churchill, a small business incubator downtown built from containers. The homeowner, who's also an engineer, built this 3-bedroom, 4-bath passion project at the urging of his 2 children and lived in it briefly. It's now listed with Sharatary of Berkshire Hathaway for $610,000. He wants to take this concept and see where it can go, perhaps build more. For those leery about waking up in what might feel like a steel cage, listen up. When you're inside the home, it's seamless, especially upstairs, Terry says. It's a hybrid. You've got 2 shipping containers on the east and 2 on the west, with traditional framing in the center. Taking a year to build, the 3,000 square foot property has a dazzling interior that bears little resemblance to the cold metal of a container. Catering to eco-minded buyers, the 4-car garage features a car charger and is wired for a workshop. Aluminum radiant barrier material aims to combat Arizona's harsh sun from heating up the home's interior. South Mountain, where the home is located, is a booming area of Phoenix and named for the nearby mountain. And the neighborhood is on the rise and appealing to a savvy investor looking for a different type of dwelling. In 2020, the Loop 202, South Mountain Freeway, a 22-mile extension of the 202 freeway, will be complete, connecting with Interstate 10 and the West Valley. And the new Valley Metro Baseline light rail line is a mile north. Because this area is close to Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport, Terry thinks a new owner might use it as a crash pad for airline pilots and flight attendants. It could also be used for a corporation's social events, given its eye-catching design. Whatever the use, we're sure it's a place that will always remain cool in the desert. More predictable price management, faster deployment, stronger structures, environmentally friendly, and ultimately, more cost-effective. Braid is innovating by reassessing the basic building blocks of construction through the use of fallowed shipping containers. Braid's recently completed gold container home is an exercise in symmetry, harmony, and sustainability. The house was built on 4 maximum-size containers and filled with cutting-edge technology that allows it to flow with its environment and be environmentally friendly as well. Chori Salcedo originally envisioned the design around 2 stacks of shipping containers with an expansive area in the middle that would provide for an industrial-level workshop in the garage area on the first floor, with the living area on the second floor offering expansive views of both the mountains and the city of Phoenix, Arizona. Jorge partnered with Colombian architect Gregorio Baquero, who helped finalize the magical and seemingly emotional shapes that make the gold container home so striking. Some of the strategic and inspired choices they took include tilting the position of the house to ensure it was in line and contextual with the stunning surrounding mountain range, which lies slightly angled to the south. The entire house was arranged to match that angle, so that the main balcony and living room face them directly, ensuring that the mountains are more personally enjoyed. They also matched the slope of the house's roof to that of the rising mountains in its backyard. Envisioning north and south side balconies that are nestled perfectly to protect from direct sunlight starting as early as 10:30 in the morning in the summertime. A typical house doesn't have technology as a key feature. This is not a typical house. There are dozens of unique technological choices that were carefully considered throughout, but of specific attention were the materials used, industrial-grade electrical wiring, internet and intranet connectivity, and the engineering required for key architectural features. Taking a page from space design, the GCH uses a pure 100% aluminum foil, not unlike that used in outer spacecraft, which simply reflects all the heat back out to space, preventing it from entering the house. High-strength, machine-cut and assembled wood joints to support the overarching architectural details throughout the house. Factory-grade three-phase electrical wiring allows for charging of electric vehicles at 40 kilowatt-hours, giving you 80 miles per hour charged. Plus, it's perfect for heavy-duty machinery for any workshop project imaginable. Gigabit sound and coaxial cable connectivity in all corners of the house. Engineered from the ground up to be a house for the future, you can be online, in tune, and plugged into the top connectivity speeds around. Perfectly nestled between nature and the thriving city of Phoenix, the home is a minute walk from the almost 3,000-foot-tall mountains of the world's largest urban park. And yet, it's just a 10-minute drive to one of the nation's busiest airports, Phoenix Sky Harbor. Located about 500 feet above the main city elevation, the house provides truly exceptional views of both the mountains to the south and the urban environment, which includes a direct view of the airport's 7R/25L runway. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring tour of the 3,000-square-foot shipping container house in Phoenix, Arizona. This extraordinary home exemplifies the perfect blend of innovative design and sustainable living. With its sleek, modern architecture and expansive living spaces, this shipping container house stands as a beacon of what is possible in contemporary home design. At Alvinza Studio, we are committed to showcasing the most groundbreaking and eco-friendly architectural projects from around the world. Stay connected with us for more exciting tours and insights into homes that are redefining the way we live. Until next time, may your living spaces be filled with creativity, sustainability, and elegance. Alvinza Studio, where innovation meets sustainability.